Take a look at the following pictures. This is an old car. This is a new car. This is a happy boy and this is a sad boy. Now, how do we know what a car looks like? Because of the words old and new, we know that the first car is old and the second one is new. In the same way, we know that the boy is happy or sad because of the words happy and sad. These words happy, sad, old, new, such words are called adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They are words used to describe or tell us more about people, places, things, animals, and events. Adjectives are mainly used before nouns and help give more meaning to them. They make the noun clearer and exact. Now let's look at some examples. My brown bear is my favorite toy. Shanti lives in a large city. My friend has a rectangular lunch box. Mother baked us a very sweet cake. There are several flowers in the garden. Adjectives can describe color, size, shape, taste, texture, number, and order. As we saw in the example just now, we know that the bear is brown in color. Shanti lives in a big city. The cake that mom baked was sweet, and that there are many flowers in the garden. These adjectives or describing words are further divided into limiting adjectives and descriptive adjectives. Adjectives that limit us to a specific point are called limiting adjectives. For example, Raghu wants 1 kilo of flour. The car tank can hold only 4 liters of petrol. Here we see that Raghu limits his need of flour to 1 kilo and that the car tank cannot hold more than 4 liters of petrol. Descriptive adjectives are those that describe words. We already saw many examples of descriptive adjectives such as brown bear, large city, rectangular lunchbox, etc. Let's look at the following sentences. Can you think of adjectives to fill in the blanks? We hope you enjoyed this session on adjectives. We'll see you again in another segment on grammar. Thank you.